Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give an update on my account portfolio, talk about some Tesla news, and my trades for the day. So my account is standing at 207.5K, and that gives me a 466% year-to-date gain on the portfolio. I did add one stock this week, and that's NNDM, which I'll talk about later. Okay, so let's go to the Tesla news. So if you look on the Tesla's website, they did file an 8K, and this is about the $5 billion capital raise. They said on December 9th, 2020, Tesla completed the sale of the $5 billion before commissions of its common stock through its at-the-market offering, previously disclosed on the 8th. So that means they sold all $5 billion yesterday. And this was just released today on the Tesla. So you can see that here on their investor relations website under the SEC filings. Let's go in the HTML, and then you'll see that information here. Okay, then the other stock I picked up is one that is in the ARK portfolio, and we can see that here, and that's the NNDM. And this is one that they've increased their position on, and now it is at weighted average of 2% for the portfolio for the autonomous technology and robotics. If you go to their ARK funds invest resources, they will have trade notifications set up, and then they will show the trades that they performed in the day. If you go to that, so this particular time, it doesn't look like it's available. But usually over in this section, there's Excel sheets that you can download and obtain the trades that they executed for the day. And so that's where you can see this rebalancing activity that they have, or if they're starting to increase their positions in particular stocks. Okay, so back to the portfolio, so I'll show my positions. Okay, so here are my current positions on the account, along with the account balance. You'll see that I am quite high on the margin and on the maintenance requirement, so I don't have a lot of buying power compared to what I normally do. But this is the end of the week, and many of the options do expire. And so this one is in the money, so that will free up 17.8K. Additionally, I have one Square call option that is also in the money, and so that'll free up another 20 plus K. And then I have a NIO position that will likely expire worthless. We'll see tomorrow. It's actually very close to being in the money, and that will free up another 4,200 of maintenance as well. Right now, this doesn't have a margin balance with that. And then another maintenance requirement is I have a sell put, which is far outside the money of 205. And that means if it goes below $205 a share in price, then I'm obligated to buy one contract or 100 shares of Square at a 205 price. Now, if it never hits this, which is likely what's going to happen for tomorrow, then basically I keep this $118 premium for just simply holding that position for 2 days for something that I would have bought at 205 anyway if it did drop to that price. And the only thing that cost me was a maintenance on my account of 20.5K. And I do not get charged margin interest until that stock is assigned. And again, why I went so far on my margin and my maintenance is because I have this particular position deep in the money. The Square option that I have is also in the money, and that will likely be assigned as well. And that will free up another 20K. Okay, and so how those trades look like when you set them up. So these are the trades that I did for the day. And so I did buy another 100 shares of NNDM. So that makes 300 shares that I now own. And then I immediately turned around and wrote call options on them. And so the first 200 shares, I got a 50-cent premium, I think 49 cents, or $49 per contract. And on this latest one, since it had dropped slightly in price compared to what I bought it to yesterday, I think I bought it at $6.66 yesterday, and now I bought this one at $6.56. I only received a 38-cent premium, and then after all the commissions, basically a $37 premium. At the end of next week, if it's not above $7.50, I keep the stock, and then I can rewrite another call option, collect another premium. And so that's what I intend to do with this NNDM. I likely won't get more than 300 shares, so it's a very small position. One of the things that I don't like as much about it is it does have a higher or special margin requirement. And so you don't get the normal margin levels that you would with other stocks. And so this just shows up how to set up one call option contract. So I'm selling to open one contract, December 18th expiration. Strike price is at $7.50. So if it goes above the $7.50, at the close of business on a Friday, then it has 1.5 hours after the market hours to be exercised. Okay, so that's all I have for today. All right, thanks.